Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla in my new kitchen. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to show you this video. I know you've been waiting for it. So let's take a look at what some of my favorite things are in this new kitchen. Don't mind the ingredients here. Getting ready to film my very first triple P in the new house. So we'll just come back later and see that recipe. As amazing as this new kitchen is, having a new kitchen is very hard and it's a learning curve. So I'm having to learn where everything is. Yes, I put it away, but it's hard for it to retrain your brain. I was in my other kitchen for 7 years. So trying to learn, like, even switch things around sometimes when I'm like, yeah, that's not gonna work there. If you've moved, I know that you know the struggle. Comment down below and tell me, like, how do you function in a new kitchen and how long does it take for you to get used to where now you're putting your stuff? So let's go ahead and talk about our appliances. I am loving this new refrigerator. It's huge. There's so much room, which is really nice for leftovers because I like to cook a lot at one time. So that way you don't have to cook as many days of the week. So loving that new refrigerator. The stove. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for the holidays. I now have a double oven. That is amazing and so needed when you cook a lot, and I like to cook. So Thanksgiving, Christmas, all those holidays that you're cooking multiple dishes, now I'm not gonna have to stress about the timing of everything because I've got 2 ovens. So other than having to learn my new kitchen, the only thing that I'm having an issue with is how high my cabinets are. I cannot reach anything. So I have to have a step stool in here all the time, and it really makes it hard to get to things, but that's okay. We have a lot of room to work with under there, so maybe in a few years we'll make some updates to that. But I want to talk to you about some of my favorite things. So this would probably be my #1 favorite part of the kitchen. I love that the kids can now sit here, have their breakfast. People can come hang out with me while I'm cooking, and it's just a great asset to this kitchen. All right, #2 favorite thing about this kitchen would be the drawers in the island. So before, I would have to like get down and bend over and try to find the pot that I needed. Now I just pull this out and I can see everything. So I really think that that's gonna help me use my tools more, I think. One of my biggest pet peeves is having like all the things on the kitchen sink. Well, now I've got this cute little pull out that I can keep all the ugly things put away, but easily accessible. Again, with storage, I am loving these cabinets. And if you open them, then you'll see that they have slide outs. So I'm using these for my big appliances. And then on the bottom, I have like little Tupperware things put away. So love that. Back over to the sink, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that it doesn't have that part that gets gooky. I don't like gooky. So I love that. This faucet is so cool. It retracts. You can move it around. I'm just, it's the little things that make me happy in life. All right, so now for my pantry, which I also love. This pantry is the original pantry of this house. So it's gonna look a little different than maybe what you're used to. I mean, it's like super original. So I'm still working on figuring out how I'm going to put everything in here in an orderly fashion, but my spices are all on these racks. And I really like that because before I had them doubled and tripled up, and so I couldn't always see them. Now I have everything pushed out towards me and I can read it easily and just pull what I need and go over and start cooking. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. These floors are unbelievable. I know it's not gonna be everybody's cup of tea, and that's okay. I love them. Like, at first I was like, that's a lot going on. I love them. I love them. So in our last house, when we first started looking at houses, I wanted a dark kitchen. Wow, have I changed. Now I wanted a light, bright, airy, all the things. I am loving these windows. I get to look out. There's crepe myrtles out there. The neighbor is the sweetest lady. There's Spanish moss hanging down, like, it makes me want to do dishes. It's that good. And the lighting in here is unreal. So a lot of this is natural lighting. In our old house, Asa would have lights set up everywhere to film. So natural lighting, the white cabinets really help that. And it's just an open kitchen. So I don't feel like I'm in like a dungeon by myself cooking, because it overlooks the family room and the pool. And so I don't feel like I'm missing out on any family activities. My number one favorite part of this kitchen is going to be all the awesome meals that we're going to cook together in this kitchen. So I hope you guys stay around. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love my kitchen as much as I do. Comment down below. Let me know, what is your favorite part of this kitchen? And don't forget, if you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and do so. Subscribe and share this with someone that may want to cook. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.